Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to May week 3's cash stuffing. My fiance gets paid bi-weekly and I get paid weekly. We are a family of 5, low income, and this is a zero-based budget, which means every dollar has a job. So I do plan every single dollar of our money that we get. And yeah, let's go ahead and get cash stuffing. I also cash stuff my bills, my cash expenses, not just savings. So the money that you're seeing in this video is bills, savings, debt, cash expenses, all of those. I share every dollar with you guys and where it's going for my family of 5, soon to be family of 6 in the fall. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna grab my wallet and get the money out. Okay, you guys, no judgment. My wallet is like beyond thick because it desperately like needs cleaned out, but we're just gonna sneak the money out. We're not gonna like pay attention to everything else. So this is the money that we are gonna be cash stuffing. Let me set my wallet to the side. And I quickly just wanna show you that I do have quite a bit of bills. My bills do total in $1,656. We are putting $95 to debt, $28 to savings. Cash expenses are getting $255, and sinking funds are getting $105. So let's go ahead and count our money. We should have $2,139. Let's make sure. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side so I know how much I am stuffing in each category. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna just go ahead and split this up really quick. So I'm gonna take all my 50s. I wanted hundreds, but my bank was closed over the weekend, and so I had to just deal with what the ATM gave me, and the ATM apparently only gives you 50s and 20s at my bank, so yay. So anyways, let's go ahead and count. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000. Okay. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So $1,700 in 50s. So 720, 740, 760, 788, 820, 840, 860, 880, 920, 940, 960, 980, 2,000. Okay. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So 2,100 so far. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So $2,139 is what we have. Okay, so to start out, I'm gonna set this to the side because we are gonna start out in my bill binder first. Okay, so rent is getting $800. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay. Let's just double check that to make sure I counted right. It's like midnight right now. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay. 800, and this is half of my rent that is due in June. So my rent is $1,600, but I'm just stuffing half of it for now. So phone is getting $129. So 50, 1, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Perfect. Okay, so 51, 120, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. And this is half of my phone bill. Car insurance is getting $65, so 50, 65. Okay, and then credit one is getting $20. Capital One is getting $30. And these are just for the minimum payments. So 30. Internet is getting $50. Subscriptions is getting $50. Now, utilities is getting a lot, you guys. If you missed my last few videos or if you're new here, I am moving, which means I do have to pay a deposit to transfer like my utilities. So this is not what my utilities normally are. I just want to be clear with that. So I have to stop $492. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 50, 70, 90, 1, and 2. Okay. Okay, so it has 51, 52, 53, 54, 450, 470, 490, 491, 492. It's crazy. I hate that they charge so much for the stupid deposits to transfer your account. Like, it's the dumbest thing. And then I am going to go back because I really need to make a binder for this, because I do pay my daughter's tuition for school. I pay half of it and her grandmother pays the other half, but I am putting 20 towards that. So I'm actually just going to put it behind this one because I know what that's for then. Okay, you guys, and then that is it for bills. So just like that, we stuffed $1,656 all towards our bills. Let's move on to our cash expenses. So gas is getting $100. Okay. Eating out is not getting anything. Necessities does have some change in there though. So let's go ahead and take that out. Okay, so this is how much change was in there. It's gonna go in my change jar. And necessities is getting $100 as well. So necessities is getting 50, 70, 90, and 100. I want smaller amounts just because I just want to make sure if it's something small we need, I don't need to use like a 50 for it. Groceries is not getting stuffed. I did explain in my budget with me that we did just go grocery shopping and I used my weekly paycheck for that. Luna already has some money in there, but I'm saving up for her dog food that she's gonna need. She only has 10, so now she has 30, and her dog food is like 40 bucks, so I still need to stuff another $10 to get her dog food. I am getting $10. My fiance is getting 25, 20, and 85. I do give him more because he does make more. This is not his choice, this was mine. Okay, and then Snowball is getting $95. So 50, 70, 95. And it already has 20 in here. So Snowball now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 115. Okay, car maintenance is getting $40. I have to get an oil change, so 20, 40. Beauty's not getting anything, and clothes is not getting anything. Okay, so that is it for my bill binder and my cash expense binder and all of the above. Let's move on to our actual sinking funds now. Okay, so emergency is getting, ooh, this one's all messed up. Oh gosh. Okay, emergency is getting $13, so 10, 1, 2, 3. Emergency now has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, $39 in emergency. You guys, the zipper's all messed up. I think it's broken. Oh no, it is. That's okay. Okay, and then each one of my girls is getting $5, and they only have 5 in here, so this puts them at $10 each. Okay. Okay. Family time is not getting anything. I do need to update my sheets, and also these sheets are available on my website. They're cow print, same with the cheetah print. Anything that you see, I will have listed in the description bar down below. Wedding's not getting anything. Household though is getting 30, so 20, 25, 30. This is for moving expenses. So household now has 20, 40, 45, $50. First home is not getting anything. New car is getting stuffed. New car is actually getting 35, so 20. I'm pretty sure it's just the rest of that. So 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay. So now new car has 50, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, $85 a new car. We are almost to $100. I'm so excited about that. And then nothing else in my binder is getting stuffed. Savings challenge has $10 in it, and this is my fiance's tips. So at the end of the month, I take this money and I put it towards whatever I feel like we need to put it towards, whether that be like moving expenses or savings or spending or eating out, whatever it is, I put it towards that, but I just save his tips in here and then divide it up at the end of the month. New computer's not getting anything, and sports ball's not getting anything. Okay, so that is going to do it for today's cash stuffing. We did stuff $2,139 into my binders. I do want to explain to you guys, so a lot of channels do like an unstuffing. Typically, because we are a family of 5 and I don't really have extra, we use like every penny for groceries, for necessities. Like you guys saw, I had some change in there, but I hardly ever have like $1, even $1 or $5 or whatever it is. I don't normally have that, and we actually we don't have enough like credit card open. Like most of our credit cards are actually pretty close to maxed out. That's part of the debt that I'm really working on right now. But I know a lot of people put this money on their credit cards and then they just pay it back and pay it off because it helps their credit. We cannot do that. So I stuff my money because that's what works for us. But I did want to explain that to you guys, like why I don't do those videos. I will have a debt video coming soon, updating you guys on my debt and how far we are into my journey. I'm hoping it'll be encouraging for me to see some things go down, some things come off. I'm just really hoping for that. I'm trying really hard to work on our credit and our debt right now, and just getting back to stuffing and getting to save and not take it out no matter what. I've always had a problem with that. So you're not alone if you do that as well. But I wanted to show you guys what a zero-based budget looks like, and that we put every dollar towards what we need. My change that's sitting right here is gonna be cashed in and then put at the bottom, and then continue to do that all the way until Christmas. And I'm gonna use this towards Christmas money. So this thing's really heavy and so much bigger than you guys think, like on camera. And so my guess is there's at least $50 in there so far, fingers crossed. So, and it's a little over halfway. So hopefully every time it fills up, it's like $100. That will help so much towards Christmas. But that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm hoping the next video that you guys are gonna see is gonna be my debt update video. So be on the lookout for that, and I will see you guys in that video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I would love to have you and love to chit chat with you down below. All right, bye you guys.